Okay, we're going to go ahead and start torquing these heads down. These Evo heads, you torque them. This is your first bolt you torque. Opposite the motor mount bolt. So it's this one, and then this one, and then this one over here, and this one here. So exhaust side, intake side, exhaust side, intake side. And you're going to torque them to 14 foot. You torque these in stages, so you're going to torque 14 foot-pounds, and then 22 foot-pounds, and then 35 foot-pounds, and then 42 foot-pounds. So with the stock Harley, they want you to 7, 14, and then a quarter turn, torque turn method. This is the way they originally did them when they first came out with Evos, was this way. 42 to 45 foot-pounds. That's not torqued yet. I'm just bringing them down so they're even first. Let me get these back ones even here. Now, I've already put lube on these. I use Never Seas on them. You could use assembly lube or a little shot of oil, anything really. But I'll just always use Never Seas for almost 40 years. And this is the way Cometic recommends doing it, and so does the Screaming Eagle head gaskets, which are actually made by Cometic. So now we got them all even. Let's do our first torque setting here. And these use a half-inch 12-point socket. My son just got home a little bit ago. He went to Boone today or last night. Played some venue or whatever. Had a gig. He's in a band. Having a good time, I guess. Okay, that's our 14. We're going to go ahead and set this to 22 now. Okay, now we're going to do them at 22. So again, you're going to start off at the front here, or opposite the intake side. Your head set. Now we're going to do 35. Okay, now we're at 35, so we're going to go up front here again. just because that's where we started from. And number 2 right there. Okay, let's set this thing to 42, and that should be good for us. All right, this is the last step. This is 42 foot-pounds. Move over here, I can pull on it. Ooh, that's tight. Tight as it's supposed to be, though, so. And that's it. Next up, I'll throw the manifold up there and check it, see how much we need to take out and where. Then start putting the rocker boxes on and the push rod tubes and all that. So it's looking pretty decent right now. Just happy that head's back on. It's a lot of work in them heads. All right, you guys have a good week. End of Father's Day today. Hope everybody had a good Father's Day. Hope you went to see your dad and drink a beer with him, buy him a steak, whatever. You guys take care. Have a good week. Come on back and watch some more. Thank you.